Navigating modern air travel often involves staying updated with the latest information about your flights. The FlyFi app offers a convenient solution, allowing travelers to effortlessly check their flight statuses right from their smartphones. Whether you're curious about departure times, delays, or gate changes, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to access and utilize this essential feature of the FlyFi app. Stay informed and in control of your travel plans with our easy-to-follow instructions below. To check the flight status using the FlyFi app, you can follow these step-by-step instructions. Download and install the FlyFi app. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android on your smartphone or tablet. Search for FlyFi and download the official FlyFi app. Open the FlyFi app. Once the app is installed, tap on the FlyFi icon on your device to open it. Log in to your account. If you already have a FlyFi account, enter your login credentials, usually your email and password, to log in. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one by following the app's prompts. Navigate to Flight Status. Look for a section labeled Flight Status. This is typically found on the main menu or dashboard of the app. Enter flight details. In the Flight Status section, enter the required details for your flight. This usually includes airline name, flight number, date of departure. Retrieve flight information. After entering the flight details, tap on the Search or Check Status button. The app will then fetch the current status of your flight from its database. View flight status. Once the information is retrieved, the app will display the status of your flight. This includes details such as departure time, arrival time, gate information, and whether the flight is on time, delayed, or canceled. The other option is Check Flight Status by scanning boarding pass. Navigate to the section of the app that allows you to check flight status. This could be labeled as Flight Status. Go to Scan Boarding Pass. The app will automatically detect and read the information on the boarding pass. After scanning, the app will display the flight information extracted from your boarding pass. Review this information to ensure it is correct. The app will then show you the current status of your flight, including any updates or changes. You can see details like departure time, gate information, and any delays or cancellations. The Live Activity feature in the FlyFi app is designed to provide real-time updates and information for users while they are traveling. Flight statuses can change, so it's a useful feature that FlyFi provides a real-time updates of your flight. By following these steps, you should be able to efficiently check the flight status using the FlyFi app and stay informed about any updates or changes to your flight plans. Thank you.